Happy New Year, Buddy Smoke Crypto fam. We made it to 500 subscribers before the end of 2024, and it's all thanks to you. Your support means the world, and it drives us to create more amazing content. As we kick off 2025, we're setting our sight on our next big milestone of 1,000 subscribers. Let's keep growing, learning, and crushing it together. Stay tuned for more in-depth crypto analysis, live shows, and updates. 2025 is going to be epic. Thanks for being part of the journey. Let's make it the best year yet. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Right now, we're going to get started. We'll be doing live technical analysis on AMP collateral token by Flexa company. All right, I'm going to hand it over to Crypto Papi. There you go, my man.
Used to be Flexa coin.
Used to be Flexa coin.
All right, so let's take a look at Flexa coin, see how the weekly is closed out. So let's switch back from the daily over to the weekly. Let's zoom out. As you could see, we've kind of had a rough week, right? A little bit of price movement to the upside before getting sold right back down. And then we're opening green as of now. Again, with AMP, we're here sitting on the 236 fib level. So not a bad place to be, but not the worst place to be. We want to hold strong and hold support at the 236 level though. And as long as that holds up, overhead targets for AMP would be the 0.01328, which really we could round up and say 0.014. Then from there, once we start to approach and break these levels, again, as long as it's more than just a wick through it, we would have the 618 at 0.01771. So targets to the upside are there. We're currently sitting on support, so hopefully those levels hold. So from roughly current price to the 0.014 level, let's see, gain-wise, what that would be. Roughly right there. So we're about 82% away from our first level of some resistance. And then from roughly current price, I'm trying to line it up the best that I could, to the 618 is 131%. So a lot of gains left on the table for AMP, a lot of upside movement. And even then, when AMP gets to the 618, there's still going to be a lot more room to run to the low 2 cents, to the mid 2 cents, and so on and so forth. But again, we still need to start rounding out and moving to the upside. We need to stop seeing these sharp rejections down to the downside in order to expect those gains to the upside. So everything with AMP is looking good, very minimal downside. And as long as these levels, current levels hold right now, it's going to be a higher low from our previous lows. So again, you see we have some lows here. We made a high. We have some higher lows, but we didn't quite make a higher high. So again, we would hope that these lows are going to hold a lot higher than our previous lows. So everything looks good on AMP. Just we need to see where the coin's going to next. Is it going to go up that 80 to 130%, or is it going to continue to the downside and challenge these previous lows of about half a penny to 0.004? So that's all we have for AMP today.
And it looks like it's still right in the trend line, so
right,
you know, fear not, guys. You know, we just gotta wait. It looks like it's gonna start out green for the week, so we're looking good. Let me get back over here. So that was that for AMP. Like I said, we're keeping this, you know, short and sweet today. We'll be doing probably another live stream throughout the week, and then for the next candle closure as well, just to keep, you know, to see where we're at. We'll get a better feel where the market's gonna go towards the end of the week, because that's mostly when Crypto Papi has mentioned before. That's when the price action, if whatever price action is gonna go up or down, it usually happens at the weekly close.